Sarah, hey, over here.
Jake, hi! I am so happy to see you.
Me too. How are you?
I am great. A little tired. I woke up early today.
Me too. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I was too excited to sleep.
7 o'clock on a Saturday? You really love the zoo.
I know. I am like a little kid about it. Do you come here a lot?
Not a lot. Maybe 1 or 2 times a year. You?
3 or 4 times a year. Sometimes I bring my nephew, Tommy. He is 6 and he loves animals.
That is so sweet. Okay, are we ready to go in?
Yes, I have the tickets here. I bought them online yesterday.
Oh, thank you. How much were they? I want to pay you back.
$15 each.
Here, $15 for you.
Thank you. Okay, do you want a map?
Yes, please. Oh, the zoo is big.
Yes, there is the Africa area, the Asia area, the ocean animals area, and the reptile house. I think we start with the giraffes. They are close to the entrance.
Perfect. I love giraffes. Let's go. They walk to the giraffe area. Jake, what is your favorite animal?
The lion. Lions are so strong and beautiful. What about you?
The elephant. They are so big and so smart. I read that they never forget.
Yes, scientists study this. Elephants remember places, people, and other elephants they met a long time ago. They also have feelings. They feel happy and sad, and they take care of each other.
They sound like wonderful animals. Oh, Jake, I can see the giraffes from here.
Come on, let's walk faster.
Oh, wow, they are so tall. I always forget.
About 5 or 6 meters, and I am only 1.7 meters.
And I am 1.6. The giraffe is almost 4 times taller than us.
Look at that one eating from the tree. Its neck goes all the way up.
The long neck is perfect for reaching those high leaves. Other animals cannot get them.
Yes, nature is so clever. Oh, over there is the feeding station. We can give food to the giraffes.
Really? We can touch them?
Yes, you hold the food up and they take it with their tongue. Their tongues are dark purple and about 50 centimeters long.
50 centimeters. A little scary.
A little, but also very cool. Let's try.
They walk to the feeding station. A zoo worker is there.
Good morning. Do you want to feed the giraffes today?
Yes, please.
Here are some leaves and small branches. Hold them up high. The giraffe will come to you. Just hold still and relax. The tongue is a little wet, but it will not hurt you.
Okay, I am ready. Here, giraffe, I have food for you.
It is coming. It is looking right at you.
Oh, its face is so big. Okay, here, giraffe, take the food.
It is eating from your hand, Sara.
Oh, the tongue is so long. And yes, it is wet, but I am okay. I am okay.
Ha! You are amazing. My turn now. Come here, giraffe.
Take the photo. I will get it. Smile.
Got it.
Great photo. You look so happy.
Now you. Here, giraffe. Come back. More food.
Here I am. Ready. Take it.
Beautiful. You look like best friends with the giraffe.
We are best friends now. I gave it food. That makes us friends forever.
Ha! I agree. Okay, thank you.
Thank you both. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much. I will never forget this.
They walked to the monkey area.
That was incredible. One of the best things I ever did at a zoo.
Me too. Okay, where next? The monkeys are close. See that sign? Primate world.
Primate? That means monkeys?
Monkeys, apes, chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are very smart. They use tools, like sticks, to get insects from inside trees.
Really? They plan ahead?
Yes, and we share about 98% of our DNA with them.
No wonder I like them. We are almost the same.
At the primate area.
So many monkeys. They move too fast to count.
Look at that one jumping from the rope to the tree.
Perfect landing. And look at the big one in the corner, just sitting there, very relaxed.
That is the boss. The big ones do not need to run around. Everyone knows they are in charge.
I want to be the boss monkey. Just sit in the sun while everyone else runs.
Just sit and eat fruit all day.
That sounds perfect. Oh, Jake, near the tree, is that a baby?
Oh, yes, a baby monkey. It is holding on to its mom so tight.
It looks so safe and comfortable, like it has no worries in the world.
Baby animals are always the best part of the zoo. My favorite baby animal is a baby elephant. Have you seen one in real life?
No, only in videos. Are there baby elephants here?
I'm not sure. Let's check when we get there. Maybe we are lucky today.
I hope so. Okay, the penguin house is next, but you said bring a jacket?
Yes, it is cold inside. They keep it like Antarctica for the penguins.
Good thing I have my jacket. Let me put it on now.
Inside the penguin house.
Wow, you were right. It is very cold in here.
But look, the penguins are so happy. Watch them swim.
They are so fast in the water, like little rockets.
Their wings work like flippers. They cannot fly, but in water they are incredible.
Wait, penguins have wings? I always forget they are birds.
Yes, their bodies changed over millions of years to live in cold water instead of flying.
Evolution is amazing. Oh, that little one is walking so funny. Left, right, left, right.
That is just how they walk. They always look a little tired on land.
It is so cute. I want to take a video. Hold on. Oh, perfect. 3 of them walking in a line.
Great video. You can send that to everyone.
I will. My friends will love it. Okay, I'm getting cold now. Let's go outside.
Yes, my hands are cold. Nice warm sun, here we come.
Outside, walking to the reptile house.
Okay, the reptile house is next. Snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles.
I'm a little scared of snakes.
They are all behind thick glass. You are completely safe.
I know. My brain knows that, but my body is still a little nervous.
You fed a giraffe today. You can do anything.
You are right. Let's go. I am a brave person.
Inside the reptile house.
Okay, just glass between me and the snakes. Just glass. I'm fine.
Look here first. A sulcata tortoise. Very not scary. And it can live over 100 years.
100 years? This turtle might be older than my grandparents.
Some tortoises live 150 years. There was a famous one named Jonathan, born around 1832. He lived until 2022.
Almost 200 years? Seriously?
Yes, he lived on a small island. He was born before cars, phones, and the internet, and lived to see all of them.
That is incredible. Okay, what is this big one?
A Komodo dragon, the biggest lizard in the world, about 2 to 3 meters long and very dangerous.
2 to 3 meters? I am very happy that glass is there.
In the wild, they hunt deer and pigs.
A lizard hunts deer? I will never complain about small lizards again.
Good idea. Okay, now the snakes.
Okay, I'm looking. They are actually kind of beautiful.
Yes, look at the colors on that one. Red, yellow, black.
Beautiful, like a painting. But I still do not want to touch it.
Me either. I think most people feel some fear of snakes. It is completely normal.
Good. I feel better. Okay, I'm ready for the elephants.
Let's go.
At the elephant area.
Jake, I can hear them. That low sound.
Yes, elephants make very low sounds, sometimes so low that humans cannot hear them. They use it to talk to other elephants kilometers away.
Kilometers away? Through the air?
Through the air and through the ground. Other elephants feel it and hear it.
That might be the most amazing thing I learned today.
Elephants are just incredible. Oh, you can see them now.
Oh, Jake, they are so big.
African elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth, up to 4 meters tall and 6,000 kilograms.
6,000 kilograms? A car is about 1,500, so an elephant is like 4 cars.
Exactly. Look at that one spraying water with its trunk. That is how they cool down, like a shower.
And that one is putting dirt on itself.
That protects their skin from the sun, like sunscreen.
They invented sunscreen before humans did.
Maybe. Okay, Sarah, look very carefully, near the big tree on the left.
I see the big elephant and... Wait, Jake, is that a baby?
What do you think?
It is! Oh my goodness, look at its little trunk. It keeps trying to pick up grass and dropping it.
Baby elephants do not know how to use their trunks yet. It takes many months to learn.
That is the most adorable thing I have ever seen.
Look at the mom. She never looks away from the baby.
And I read that all the females in the family help take care of the babies, not just the mom.
Yes, elephants have very strong family bonds. They stay together for life.
Jake, I will remember this moment for a long time.
Me too, Sarah.
They sit on a bench to rest.
My feet hurt. Can we sit for a minute?
Yes, good idea. My phone says I walked 14,000 steps.
14,000? That is great exercise, and I did not even notice because it was so fun.
Yes, the zoo is the best workout. Okay, what was your favorite part today?
Easy. Number 1, the baby elephant. Number 2, feeding the giraffe. That wet tongue.
The tongue. Mine, number 1, baby elephant. Number 2, giraffe feeding. Number 3, the penguin video.
We agree on the top 2.
Of course, the baby elephant wins everything. Are you hungry? There's a cafe near the big cats area.
Yes, very hungry.
I will get 2 sandwiches and 2 orange juices. My treat today.
They get food at the cafe.
This sandwich is so good. I was so hungry.
Me too. Okay, last stop after this. The big cats.
Yes, lions, tigers, cheetahs.
All of them. The big cats area has many species, different kinds of cats.
I know that word. A species is a type of animal, like lions and tigers are different species.
Exactly. Okay, let's go when you're ready.
At the big cats area.
Oh, a tiger. Look at those stripes. So beautiful.
Every tiger has a different stripe pattern. Like human fingerprints, no two are the same.
Scientists use that to study tigers in the wild, right? They match the stripes in photos.
Yes, smart. Okay, the lions are over here.
Oh, that lion is huge, and it is just lying in the sun.
Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day.
20 hours? I want that life.
First the boss monkey, now the lion. You want a very relaxed life.
Yes, sleep 20 hours, eat bananas? Is that so bad?
It sounds wonderful to me too. Oh, that lion just opened its eyes. It is looking right at us.
Its eyes are so intense, beautiful, and a little scary at the same time.
That feeling is called awe.
Ah, yes, that is exactly the right word.
And over there, the cheetah, the fastest land animal. It can run 112 kilometers per hour.
112! That is as fast as a car on the highway.
Yes, for short distances. If it started running right now, it would be gone in a second.
It does not look that fast just sitting there.
That is what makes it so impressive. Okay, I think that is everything. Are you ready to go?
Yes, my feet are ready to go home.
Walking to the exit, they stop at the giraffes one last time.
Can we say goodbye to the giraffes?
Of course, a proper goodbye.
Goodbye, giraffe. I will come back soon.
Do you think it remembers you?
Maybe not, but I will always remember it.
That is a sweet way to think about it. Okay, giraffe, stay tall.
Stay tall. Good advice for everyone.
At the exit.
Jake, same time next year?
Yes, and next time let's bring a bigger group, 5 or 6 friends.
A group zoo day. I love that idea. I will organize it. I am good at that.
Perfect. And I'll buy the tickets online early.
Deal. Okay, I need to go home, rest my feet, and take a long, hot shower.
Me too. Then fall asleep on the couch like a lion.
20 hours.
Okay, Sarah, safe trip home. Text me when you get there.
I will. And I am sending you the penguin video tonight. Show it to Tommy. He will love it.
He will go crazy for it. I want to bring him here soon to see the baby elephants before it grows up.
Yes, bring him soon. Baby animals grow fast.
You are right. Okay, goodbye, Sarah. Today was wonderful.
The best day. Goodbye, Jake. Thank you for everything.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.